Hello and welcome back to
The Budgie Vlog.
Today, in our 5th video, we'll be going shopping. I am so excited to go shopping, especially to David Jones. Hopefully, the store manager put my collectible on hold, 'cause I've been waiting to get it for a long time. But anyway, hopefully Prince is excited too. I'm Snowflake, by the way. Prince, are you ready to go?
Yep, let's go.
Come on, this way.
I'm coming.
Look, I'm already waiting for you.
Okay, I'm coming. What shop should we go to first?
I think we should go to Kohl's first.
Yes, I agree. Let's go. Come on, Snowflake. Are you coming or what?
Yes, I'm coming. I am just looking through the store window of David Jones.
Okay. I'll go and have a look at the things we need from Kohl's.
Okay, sounds good. I'm here. I'm coming, 1 second. Okay, what should we buy from Kohl's?
Well, I just went into Kohl's just then and bought the delicious seed cooking mix, and also that soap cleaning thing that we use to clean our aviary.
Oh, good. Thanks for that. Now let's go to Pet Barn.
Good idea. Here it is. Wow, look at all those treats.
Ooh, yummy. And look at that pretty toy. We should get that.
Okay, sure. Let's get a pack of our Budgie seed mix and also a toy.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Hey, where are you off to now? Wait for me.
Never mind, that shop was closed.
Oh, okay. You choose the toy and I'll get our food.
Okay.
Okay, I think we've got everything.
Wait, before we go, we need to go to David Jones.
Oh yeah, good remembering.
Let's hurry before the store closes.
Yep, let's go.
Look, the store manager put my collectible on hold for me. Yay! Could I get it?
Sure.
Yay! I've been waiting for this one for a whole 2 weeks.
Wow, that's a long time for a pretty burb like you.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Yay! Should we pay now?
Yes, I think we should. Oh look, there's me in the reflection. Hello, Prince. Hey, Snowflake, before we go, I have to tell you something.
What?
I love you.
Oh my god, same. You are the best friend Budgie ever.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Best friends forever?
Yes, forever. Whoa, I can't believe that just happened.
Same. Was that a dream?
Nope.
Okay, we should go pay now.
Yes, I agree. I put all of our shopping in the checkout basket.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this is what you're getting for today? Yep. Okay, perfect. I'll add that up now.
Well, now that was an unexpected but awesome shopping trip. I think it's time to go home and have some lunch.
There's all your shopping. Thank you for shopping with us.
Now that is what you call an amazing shopping trip.
Yes, I totally agree. This brings us to the end of our 5th video.
Thank you so much everyone for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned.
Bye!